Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how you can use text templates in CapCut. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. First, you have to open CapCut in your computer. When you open that, you can see this kind of interface here. Then you have to just tap on new project here. Then it will open CapCut Studio. Then what you have to do is just go to text here. Then you can see there's a left right menu text template, just tap on it. Okay, there are a lot of text templates here. Yeah, I like to use this one. Just drag and drop it into your timeline. Then you can see okay, this kind of menu is appearing. Wait. Okay, you can see this kind of menu appearing. You can change these information values according to your needs. You can play this how it looks like. Okay, you can see there is two lines for text. First line is it, so I like to use it as CapCut, and I like to use second one as tutorial. Delete that one and tap tutorial. Okay, this is the custom one. And you can go to effect here. There are a lot of effects here. I like to use this one. Just tap on and download it. Okay, you can see the effect is changed. I like to change the first one also. Just tap on first one, then choose the effect you like. Okay, now it is selected first one already. Okay, tap on first one, the effects, and use this one. Alright, you can see the two effects are added successfully. You can choose which one needs effect. Just select it and then go to effects, and you can choose the effect. And you can do other things as well. If you need to some effect, you can add by this and transition, stickers, kind of things. So when you play that from beginning, okay, you can see the effects added. So this is how you can use CapCut templates. And if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and like the video, and thank you very much. See you soon in new video.